Welcome to the lesson number 3 of chapter Numbers and Arithmetic Operations. Let's have a look what we will learn today under the topic Comparing and Ordering Numbers. By the end of this topic, you will be able to use less than and greater than symbols and to understand predecessors and successors. As you all are familiar with this concept that alligators always want to eat the greater number, can you tell me which number of these two alligator will eat? Yes, you are right. Alligator will eat 4,326 because 4,326 is greater than 4,236. Or in other words, we can say 4,236 is less than 4,326. How can we write it symbolically? Let's learn. To write any sentence symbolically, we need some symbols. Here we have some symbols of is greater than, is less than, and is equal to symbols. With help of these symbols, we can write sentences in short and they have their definite meanings. And these symbols are called comparison symbols. Let's learn more about comparison symbols. Have a look on this chart. In this chart, we have details about comparison symbols. First symbol is this. This symbol is less than symbol. The closed end of the symbol indicates the smaller number. Like this. That is 3 is less than 5. You can see a small part of the symbol is towards 3. And second one is this symbol. This symbol is greater than symbol. The open side of the symbol indicates the greater number. Look here. That is 9 is greater than 5. You can see the open side of the symbol is towards 9. And in last we have this. This symbol is equal to symbol. This is used when both the numbers are same or equal. Like this. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Let's do some practice. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to symbol. Here we are given some pairs of numbers. We will compare these numbers one by one to decide which number is greater or which is lesser. So we will start from number 1. Here we are given two numbers. You can see first digit of both the numbers are same, that is 7. And second digit also are same. You can see in both the numbers. But third digit are different because 2 is less than 3. So we can say this number is less than this number. So that is 7,620,143 is less than 7,631,143. Now we will solve second blank. In this we have two numbers. You can see 4 starting digits of both the numbers are same. 5002 in first number and 5002 in second number. But fourth digit of both the numbers are different. Here we have 4 and here we have 3. Because 4 is greater than 3, so we can say this number is greater than this. You can see closed small and is indicating towards lesser number and open side is indicating towards greater number. In both the situations. Now we will solve third one. This number is less than this. Like this. Now come to the next one. And we can easily see that all the digits of both numbers are same. You can see. So both the numbers are equal. And in last blank, this number is greater than this. So students, I hope you all would understand this and can use these symbols very well. Now we will talk about predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor are just like before and after. Look at this picture. Rose is before boss and boss is after Rose. So Rose is predecessor of boss and boss is successor of Rose. Now Let's learn more about predecessor and successor. What is predecessor? The number which comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. The predecessor of a whole number is 1 less than the given number. Look here, 9 is the predecessor of 10. Clearly, the predecessor of 1 is 0, predecessor of 2 is 1, and predecessor of 3 is 2, and so on. What is successor? The number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. The successor of a whole number is the number obtained by adding 1 to it. Look here, 400 is successor of 399. Clearly, the successor of 0 is 1, successor of 1 is 2, successor of 2 is 3, and so on. Now we will solve some examples. Write predecessor and successor of following numbers. Here we are given some 8-digit numbers and we have to write their predecessors and successors. Look at the first number, 98,253,610. To find its predecessor, we will just check the last digit and will write all the numbers as it is. Here we have 0 and we take last 2 digits, it becomes 10. To find predecessor, we will minus 1 from 10 and will get 9. So the predecessor of this number will be 98,253,609. Similarly, to write its successor, we will just write all the starting digits same as it is, but last digits will be changed. Like this, when we add 1 in 10, we will get 11. So it is 98,253,611. Look at the second one. Just check last digit of it and minus 1 from it. That is 35,622,013. And to write its successor, we will just add 1 in 4 and we'll get this number. That is 35,622,015. Now look at the last one. Check the last digit of it. It is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So its predecessor will be this 61,732,920. And its successor will be 61,732,922. Now is the time to home task. I am quite confident that you all would be doing your home tasks on time. Now, note down your today's home task. Do question number 8, 9, 10 and 11 of exercise 1A, page number 7. Thank you and stay blessed.